Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside WhatsApp with the conversation that has the sticker you want gone. Tap the sticker to reveal quick options. This helps you confirm which sticker pack it belongs to. Once done, press and hold the sticker. That long press is the first real action. You hold until the selection UI appears, which lets you remove just that sticker or access the pack controls. Make sure your network is stable so menus load without lag. After the long press, a small menu appears with options like Add, Forward, Delete, or View Pack. If you want to remove only that instance, choose Delete. This deletes it from the chat history if supported. If the sticker belongs to a pack you don't want, tap View Pack, then select Delete or Uninstall for the pack. This removes future access to all stickers in that set. Be deliberate. Confirm prompts ensure you don't remove packs you still like. Finish by opening the sticker picker and checking the Recent and My Stickers sections to confirm removal. If the sticker still shows, close WhatsApp and restart the app. Temporary caches often cause remnants to appear. If that doesn't work, clear the app cache from settings or update WhatsApp to the latest version, because bugs often block deletions. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app as a last resort, but back up chats first so you don't lose messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.